The Hpoouo 200A stick welder is an excellent choice for both home repairs and DIY projects, thanks to its adjustable current range from 20 to 200 amperes, allowing it to handle various metal thicknesses. Weighing only 3.7 pounds and with compact dimensions, this super mini portable welding machine is designed for easy transportation and use in different locations. The advanced digital IGBT inverter control technology enhances the welder's performance by ensuring a stable arc and deeper penetration, making it suitable for both beginners and hobbyists. With features like hot start, anti-stick, and arc force, this welder provides smooth operation by preventing rod sticking and ensuring quick arc initiation. It is compatible with more than 90% of welding rods, including AWS E6013 and E7018, ensuring versatility and strong welds across different metal types. The package is comprehensive with 20 welding rods, chip hammers, and professional gloves, supported by an impressive customer service ready to assist with any inquiries.